So today, we're gonna talk about money. All right, so let's get right into it. Recently, I had someone tell me that they didn't believe you could become a millionaire being a landscaper, a lawn care guy. You can become a millionaire doing anything. You know, it's all about what you're gonna scale it to be and what that is to you. And maybe it's not just in lawn care. You know, something that I've recently become very adamant about is, you know, with reading and going on, you know, business trips where we're looking and we're trying to learn like where we can be putting money, what we can be doing to become more financially savvy. You know, there's a lot of misguided things in the world where there's such little financial education. You know, school teaches you nothing. People push you towards you have to go to college and bury all this money in something that may get you a little better pay. And people say go for the 401k, even though everyone that's going for it is not necessarily guided about what are the fees associated with that 401k plan and how much does each additional point that you shouldn't technically be paying, but that's where they're making their money to manage the finances. Like, how much are you losing that you don't even see because it's buried in paperwork? Just a quick side note, this was a random thought that popped into my head and I wanted to make a video about. And if you would like more detailed, more thought out topic and talk on money, my thoughts, where I'm headed, what I'm wanting to do, my goal, you know, I've got big goals. I would like to be a millionaire when I'm 32 and financially free when I'm 33. If you'd like me to talk more about stuff like that, let me know. I could do it on the next one. How much money is getting taken directly from you and just stole from your retirement because you were just guided in by people that were supposed to care about you and supposed to be helping you retire. And that's one of my biggest frustrations is people don't know what these fees, what these different assets, like how a home can actually be quite the liability. You know, what things are good, what things are bad. And you know, everybody can retire and put money into certain things in their own ways. There's a million paths. One that I've always been super interested in is real estate. You know, it's something that is so intriguing to me because there's so much control there. Where stocks, you know, they scare me because I've seen people that have had a 401k and yeah, forever they're gonna go up. But if you're at your retirement age and the economy busts, you have nothing, and it might take 10 years for them to get better or just for you to get back to where you were 10 years before. Same with, there's just a lot of crazy things out there. And when you were in school, they didn't teach you anything about how to invest your money, how to do this, how to do that. Because the main goal of like someday becoming free should be getting to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want. And it's not gonna be the rat race of working a job or controlling a business. You know, it's gonna be in the investments you've made, whether that be in real estate or you're extremely intelligent in stocks. But I'm bouncing all over about this like 401k thing that so many people are guided into. They're money it's money management. You're paying for money management, and the brightest people that make the most in the stock market in the world say that trying to manage that, you'll never win. But yet there are people with 1/8 of their ability managing it and charging you for it every day. So that thing about you'll never become a millionaire from landscaping, dude, yes you could. And you could become a millionaire just from a lawn and landscape, just from any business you have. And then you could compound that and make that even happen faster if you put your money to work in investments to solidify your life. So this is just a really quick conversation. There's a lot of things like financially that I've been extremely upset about that I see people get involved in. I see people blow their money on. I just read a book by Robert Kiyosaki, Fake. It was an extremely amazing book. Would suggest it to anyone if they want to get a little bit of some of the things I'm talking about that it's pitiful that people don't know. But guys, keep kicking butt with your money, keep making more money, and invest wisely.